Nebraska Auto Insurance. In the state of Nebraska, there are a few factors that companies take into consideration when creating car insurance quotes. It is important to understand every aspect of this process in order to get the best rates possible. The cost of Nebraska Auto Insurance depends on the amount of coverage that is included in the policy, as well as the driver's insurance history and possible personal credit history. It is against the law to drive without automobile insurance. Each state has laws that outline the minimum levels of coverage, including bodily injury and property damage. InsuranceOnTheWeb.com has included a Nebraska insurance requirements chart located on this page that enables you to quickly review the coverage needed. Nebraska auto insurance minimums are put in place to protect drivers from financial ruin. They also protect the families of people who are involved in serious accidents from incurring expensive medical bills and, in some unfortunate cases, funeral costs. Car insurance quotes can also be based on a driver's past insurance history. Companies look at whether or not the person in question paid their bills in full and on time. They also take into account any lapses in coverage. Any amount of time that exists between automobile insurance companies will raise the price of the premium offered by a new insurer. In Nebraska, insurance companies are permitted to use a person's credit history to determine the cost of their premium. Nebraska auto insurance will be higher for those who have poor credit because they are perceived to be more of a risk. On the other hand, people who have a history of paying their bills on time, as reflected in their credit score, will enjoy lower car insurance quotes. InsuranceOnTheWeb.com works with both types of insurance companies, credit-based and non-credit-based, to make sure that everyone receives the best rate possible. It may seem like Nebraska auto insurance companies pull the price of their premiums out of nowhere. In reality, there is a reason why some are higher than others. The cost of their quotes is based on the demographics of the drivers and the statistical probability that they will or will not be involved in an accident, as well as some other factors described above. Go ahead and request your free Nebraska auto insurance quote online with InsuranceOnTheWeb.com.